Hey guys, welcome back to another hair tutorial with me, your girl Latoya. Today I'm going to show you how I achieve this stylish Afro puff updo on my 4C natural hair. So stay tuned. Now welcome back guys. First I'm just gonna go in and loosen these plaits and detangle my hair. Now I'm going to go in with my tail comb and I'm going to part from ear to ear, but I like to start from the center so I can get the part as perfect as possible. So now that I have secured the back portion of my hair, I'm just going to go ahead now and put a part at the side of the front of my head, and then I'm just going to go in with my ultra gel wax and apply it to the parted scalp and retrace the part so the part can be as neat and tidy as possible. So now I'm applying the ultra gel wax to my hair and I'm just going to go in with my toothbrush just to get those edges in. So now I'm going to start with 3 pieces of hair and do a braid pattern going downwards. Now that I've reached the end of the braid, my hair is not that long, so I'm just going to add a piece of leftover braids that I have, and I'm just going to feed in the braids here. As you can see, I plait one section in and then pull the other part of the braid over at the same side and plait that section in also. So as you can see, my hair now has the length so it can go into the updo that I want. So now I'm going to braid the other section of my hair. However, this part of my hair is not as thick as the other part, so I'm going to go in with the feeding braid as early as possible to give it that fluffy look. So guys, now that I've completed the front portion of my head, I went ahead to spray the back portion of my hair with water and put some oil in it. Now I'm just going to go in with my Eco Style gel and apply it to the back portion of my hair. Now I am going to take my string and I'm just gonna tie it here and pull on it until I get it to the perfect puff that I want. And now I'm just gonna go in with a clip just to get my hair out the way so I can knot the string itself. Now I'm going to take the ends of the strings and I'm going to place it under the puff. And now that you can see, I also have the remaining braids. I'm not going to cut the braids, I'm just going to place them under the puff also. So now that I've completed this section, I'm just going to go in to lay my edges. I'm going to go in with my Eco Style gel and my toothbrush. And then I'm just going to tie this down for it to set a bit and then show you the finished product. So now guys, this is the look, and let me tell you something, I really like the look of it, but I'm going to show you how you can jazz it up a bit. So I have a pair of earrings here, and I'm just going to remove the back, and I'm just going to stick those earrings into my hair. And guys, this is another cute and simple look, but then if you still want to jazz it up a bit, then I'm going to show you what else you can do. So I'm going to go in with this gold hair accessory that I have, and I'm just measuring it up to match the braided section. And I am going to go in now with my crochet needle, and I'm just going to go under, place the string into the needle, latch it, and then I'm just going to pull it through. I'm just going to hold on to one end of the string and pull the other one over. So now that I have the string, guys, I'm going to go in and make an X at the top, and I'm just going to go in at the bottom, and I'm going to pull the top string under the braid. Now I'm going to go from the top, go under the braid, and pull the other end of the string under the braid, and that's my first X. I'm just going to continue this procedure right down the braided portion of my hair. So as you can see, I formed the X, and I'm just going to place the needle under the braid, pull that end under the braid, and then I'm going to go under and pull the top string under the braid. So guys, I went again to lay my edges because it wasn't to my liking, and guys, this is the final look. Cute, simple Afro puff updo, and to be honest with you guys, I kind of like it without the accessories in. I think it looks more formal, but if you want to jazz it up, I suggest that you go ahead to do your accessories. Guys, thank you for watching my video. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you next week for another video. Bye.